can't find anything in this mess. Where's my wrench? My screwdriver? My pliers? Why is everything always buried?
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. The French Cleat Wrench Organizer securely holds up to 10 wrenches, accommodating sizes from 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch Imperial or 5.5 millimeters to 16 millimeters metric. Made from high-quality 3D printed PLA material, it's built to be both durable and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed specifically for 1/4 inch French cleat systems, this organizer provides a stable and customizable fit for any workspace. Its space-saving vertical design keeps your tools neatly displayed and easy to grab, freeing up valuable workbench space. Whether you're a professional or someone who loves working on projects at home, this tool holder combines efficiency and style in one smart design. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.